Hey everyone! Polar arrays are a lifesaver when you need to duplicate objects in a circular pattern, like chairs around a table or bolts on a flange. Here is the step-by-step script for AutoCAD 2026. Step 1. Activate the command. You can find the tool in the interface or use the quick shortcut. Type AR for array and press Enter. Go to the Home tab, look in the Modify panel, click the drop-down arrow next to the rectangular array icon and select Polar Array. Step 2. Select your object. Tell AutoCAD what you want to duplicate. Click the objects you want to repeat in the circle. Once selected, press Enter to confirm. If you used the AR shortcut, the command line will ask you to choose the type. Select Polar. Step 3. Specify the center point. This is the pivot or the center of your circular pattern. Click the point in your drawing that represents the center of the circle. Use Object Snaps, F3, to snap exactly to the center of an existing circle or a geometric center of a shape. Step 4. Refine via the ribbon. As soon as you pick the center, a temporary Array Creation tab will appear at the top of your screen. Change the number of copies, like change 6 to 12. By default, it's 360 degrees, full circle. You can change this to 180 degrees if you only want a semicircle pattern. Keep this turned on if you want to be able to edit the array as a single unit later. Turn it off if you want each copy to be an independent object immediately. If you left Associative on, simply click any part of the array later. The ribbon will pop back up, allowing you to change the item count or spacing instantly without redrawing. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.